Hi everyone, this is Sammy from Zoom and I'm here to show you how to overdub on the H5 Handy Recorder. Overdubbing is the process of recording over existing audio to layer new parts. Begin by powering on your H5. Press Menu, scroll down to Record Mode, and put the device into multi-file mode. Press the left and right button to arm your microphones, then press Record to begin recording. To add your overdub, go to Menu, select Project, select the project that you would like to overdub, select Mixer/Overdub, and select Mixer/Overdub once again. The track button indicators will light green for already recorded tracks and will remain unlit for unrecorded tracks. To reuse the left and right microphone capsule, we must first make those tracks available to record by moving the original recorded file to tracks 1 and 2 for playback. First stereo link inputs 1 and 2 by pressing 1 and 2 at the same time. Next, scroll to highlight the tracks that you have just recorded on, then press Select. In this menu, you can adjust the track level, pan, stereo link, or select a new file to play on this track. On the left and right screen, go to File and select None. This is where your overdub will be recorded. Press Menu to go back to the home screen. Scroll to track 1 and 2 and select. Scroll to File and select the original recording you wish to overdub on top of. Press Menu, then press the left and right buttons to arm your microphones. Record overdub. Press Menu, select Mixdown, and execute. This will give you a new finalized file on your SD card combining your original recording and overdub. You can then re-import it to your project to overdub further. To do so, reselect Mixer/Overdub, scroll to track 1 and 2, go to File, and choose the Mixdown file. Press Menu, Record Enable, and repeat as before. When finished, your final bounce can be imported onto your computer for further editing or sharing. For more information and product updates, please go to zoom-na.com.